Well, very good morning. It is day 8. Welcome to my channel, Dream Big 2. This is my world run, day 8, and I better be careful. So as far as I see it, it's gonna be another long day, but it's dry, and I think there's quite a few hills between here and where I want to go. But let's just see what's ahead. I'll see you soon. Well, so it's still about 4 miles in, but this is quite spectacular. Christmas lighting here. Whew. Wow. I've never seen anything like it. Wow. Just out somewhere. I have no clue where we're at. But yeah, it's nice. So about 5 miles, we have arrived in a bridge rule. I stayed here last time, but yeah, everyone's still asleep as always when I'm so early out running. Nice morning sight, huh? Yeah, let me show you the view. It's beautiful here. This is after coming out of bridge rule, and yeah, this is going to be just wonderful running today. If it stays dry like this, it's amazing. I am lucky. Look at this. This is amazing morning running. Oh wow. You know, at home you do your routes over and over again, same route, and then here, like every day you see something new. Oh, I love it. I especially love the mornings. Oh. Yeah, this is absolutely gorgeous out here. Very quiet, very peaceful. Gonna have a break, eat a banana. Look at this. Yeah, oh, still the light on, always forget. For safety. Yeah, this is really beautiful. And yeah, I'm pretty easy. Yeah, feeling really well. Wow, look at this. It's just incredible. Yeah, I don't know if you really can see how beautiful it is. This is, wow. Look at this again. And then we'll go. Wow. I can smell the ocean, but it's still quite far away. The first steep climb in the early morning hours. What's behind the horizon? Whew. My calves can feel it. Whew. Oh, very nice. Wow. That is a sight. I gotta take a picture. Can you see this? Wow. This is incredible. Wow. Wow. I don't think I've ever seen anything like it. Wow. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I could stop like for a million times and take pictures, but I did already 3 times, so I'm not just gonna run. Otherwise, I have to run miles and miles and miles in the dark because I'm just not moving. But yeah, I keep all these beautiful images, these memories in my mind. That's gotta be enough. This is beautiful. 10 miles. Yeah, it's still a long way to go, but just taking it easy. That is the plan. Enjoying this beauty. Yeah, it's nice. Foggy. 13 miles. Just going steadily. Music.
Stand over here where the sheep.
Oh.
Want the sheep to go down there.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Yeah. Wow. Hi, sheep. Wow. What is this called?
Farming.
I love it.
Go on, Alfie. Go on, Alfie. Get on.
Wow, that was quite the sheep run, huh? Never seen anything like it. They call it farming. Another day of many steep hills, but the sun is now kind of coming out. I can feel it. It's nice. Very beautiful. Wow. Oh, you know what? It is ice cold, but and I have to do so much uphill walking. It's so difficult. Cannot run, and sometimes it's a bit disappointing. But anyways, now the sun just came out, and I actually can feel its warmth. Oh, I wanted to share that. That's so beautiful. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh. Have a look. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna go up very soon again. Again, we're back in the green tunnel. And it's beautiful. Really humid. And the sun tries to kind of shine through here. Oh. Oh wow. Look at this. This is amazingly spectacular up here. I think we have horses and cows, all just free. Wow, it's so cool. And I think it's an airport. You know, I have to look that up, but it is interesting. It's very foggy. So I think it'd be quite hard to land here, but oh wow. So yeah, I have reached another mountaintop. It seems it was a lot of uphill walking. It's kind of disappointing that I cannot run, but I guess that's good for my legs just to get used to it. This is beautiful up here, and I think now I can do some running, and then I go up into the hills again. So about 19 more to go. I am ready. Yeah, that's nice. Flat running, just straight. The runaway is parallel to the right to me. Yeah, sheep, horses, cows, Everything is free roaming here, so that's nice. Wow. And that moss in the grass, it looks beautiful. Wow. Quite humid up here, but really amazingly beautiful. Wow. So yeah, it's a bit cold, but yeah, when you're on the move, it's okay. But it's nice. So I think I have about 13 to 14 miles to go, and I'm feeling good. And it's really cool up here, so many different sheep. Yeah. Pretty humid. Like that's why you have these moss grasslands, I guess. Beautiful. Yeah, I hope you can see the colors here. This is really just so beautiful. Look at this, I'm now going down, and can you see in the distance where I'm now going up? Wow. So I'm all by myself here. It's like being on a different planet. Just everything looks so beautiful. Green and soft. Yeah. Only the sheep stare at me when I run by. Yeah, they really stare at you. That's funny. Oh. So we're in another green tunnel. Pretty steep again. So glad I have brakes. Whew. Yeah, I just met some mechanics. Oh, well, nice. Always enjoy that. So, home stretch. Less than 5 miles to go. I'm on the Camel Trail, leading into Bodmin, and that's where my bed is. That's nice. Wow, a lot of different impressions today on that run, and now I'm down here at this trail and meet so many wonderful people again already. Yeah, it's the people. Always the people. Welcome in Bodmin. I made it. Oh, that was a nice day. Over the hills, over the hills, over the hills, over the hills. Yeah, and then the Camel Trail was just the perfect ending. About 9 miles flat. good running, and yeah, meeting nice people, and that was just perfect, a wonderful day. And now here in Bodmin, still a little bit of Christmas time, but yeah. So I think now it's time to get some food, shower, and possibly do my laundry. That would be so good. And yeah, day 8. Very much enjoyed it, even though it was cold and foggy. But yeah, I mean, the panorama up there oftentimes was just very nice, very nice. So yeah, let me finish up there. So yeah, I'm now gonna finish this movie for day 8. Yeah, what a day long, but yeah, actually went really well. Didn't have to break down the 40 miles today, just read it. And yeah, now I'm gonna have dinner, a bath. We'll check on the tube of my front wheel, and then gonna sleep, hopefully a little bit more than the last couple of nights. But you know what? Flexibility. And yeah, so tomorrow I have to check what exactly I'm gonna do. But yeah, I'm excited, and really beautiful running here in the UK, so I love it. If you are interested in checking out any of my other videos, please do so. They're up here. And yeah, this is an unbelievable journey, and yeah, conversation and change. I think you know, one day at a time, and step by step moving forward. Dream big too, my friends, dream big too. I will see you tomorrow for day 9. I'm excited. I hope you have a good day too. Bye bye.